very good morning, the students of class 7. Welcome to our social science geography class. And today in this class, we are going to discuss the exercise question and answers and some inside question from chapter number 8 of your NCERT geography book. And the name of the chapter is Human Environment Interactions, the Tropical and Subtropical Regions. So if you have copy in front of you, then open your copy and write in your copy the question and answers. So Pritam, I am fine. I think you have also studied, okay, all these question and answers in these days, and your exam is coming, so that's why you are preparing. So let's begin our exercise question and answers. So the first question. Number 1, answer the following question. So in this segment you have to answer the 5 questions, all are short questions. Okay, so if you know the answer, write in the chat box the answer. The first one, name the continent in which the Amazon basin is located. So students, if you know the answer, write in the chat box. That name the continent in which the Amazon basin is located. South America, very good. Now tell me number B. Yes, what are the crops grown by the people of Amazon basin? What are the crops grown by the people in Amazon basin? Okay, Onik, your net is very slow, but stay with me. I am writing all the answers in the board. So stay with me, try to write this answer in your copy. Yes, Pritam given one answer. It is the tapioca. Tapioca, I think it is the crop's name, manioc or cassava. Okay, manioc or cassava. Manioc or cassava, as well as the other crops such as coffee, cocoa and maize. Coffee, cocoa. So you know cocoa is the main ingredient of chocolate, and maize. So these are some crops grown in the Amazon basin region. Yes, these are also some food and such as the tapioca, pineapple and sweet potato. Okay. So tapioca, pineapple and sweet potato. So these are some crops grown in the Amazon basin. Now question number 3. The question is, that name the birds that you are likely to find in the rainforest of the Amazon. Okay, Devanshu already given the answer. This is toucans. Hummingbird, the tiniest bird of the world. And bird of paradise, it's a beautiful bird with long tail, bird of paradise. And toucans are very similar to our Indian hornbills. Okay, toucans, bird of paradise, and hummingbird. Bird of paradise is a beautiful bird with long tail and colorful body. Next question. So next question, question number 4, that name what are the major cities located on the river Ganga. And the correct answer is Prayagraj. It is the present name of Allahabad. Prayagraj or Allahabad. Old name Allahabad, present name Prayagraj. Next, Kanpur, the city full with industries and tanneries, means leather works. Next one, Varanasi, the ancient city. So city famous for its cotton textile and pan. The Varanasi, the oldest city of India and the very oldest city, one of the oldest city in India. This is Varanasi. And next one, the Lucknow. Lucknow, it's not just beside the Ganga, it is near the Ganga region, it is situated in the Ganga basin. Next one, Patna, the capital of Bihar, and Kolkata. Okay, so this is the answer. Yes, Devanshu, Rishikesh, Devaprayag, Haridwar, these are also some other cities, but the main cities with population more than 10 lakh, these are cities with 10 lakh population. Now so it is number 4. Now number 5. Number 5 is, tell me that where is the one-horned rhinoceros found? The one-horned rhinoceros are found in Kaziranga National Park, Assam, in Brahmaputra Plain. So Assam in Brahmaputra Plain. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 1 segment. I think you have completed the answers of the first segment. Answer the following question, okay? So I am rubbing the board for the next segment. That toucans are a type of birds, animals, crops. That is A, birds. So number 2, manioc is a staple food of Ganga Basin, Africa, Amazon. So it is the correct answer, Amazon, option number C. Question number 3, that Kolkata is located on the bank of river A, Orange, B, Hooghly, C, Bhagirathi. So tell me, Hooghly or Bhagirathi, which is the correct? The first part, where the distributary of Ganges from Rajmahal up to the Nodia, this is called the Bhagirathi, and later part is flown beside Hooghly district, and beside Kolkata, that is called Hooghly river. So the correct answer is option number 2, Hooghly. Option number Hooghly. So number 4, it is the doers and Devdars and Fars are a type of option number A, coniferous tree, B, deciduous trees, and C, shrubs. Coniferous trees, very good. Now number 5, it is Bengal tiger is found in mountains, delta area, Amazon. Delta area, very good. Okay, so this is the answer of number 2 segment. Tick the correct answer. Now I am discussing the number 3. It is match the following. So 2 columns are given in your book. You have to match the 2 columns. So first one, the cotton textile. It will be matched with Varanasi. Option number 6. Number 2, option number F actually. Number 2, it is the Maloka. Maloka is a with C, slanting roof. Number 3, it is Piranha, it's the fish. Piranha with E, fish. Number 4, it is silkworm with sericulture. Processing the silkworm and making silk, the entire process is known as sericulture. B, sericulture. And number 5, it is Kaziranga. You have already given the answer. Kaziranga is with Assam. Okay, so that's all from the exercise question answers. Give reason portion will not come in examination, you know already, because in our exam all the questions will come as MCQ, multiple choice of questions. And now I am giving you some extra question and answers from your chapter. That's why I am running the first 2 segment. So extra. So extra question number 1. Dash in Lucknow is a famous tourist place. Students, tell me the answer of this. That dash in Lucknow is a famous tourist place. If you know the answer, mention in the chat box. Why Ranchi? Dash in Lucknow. Ranchi is a different place. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. So dash in Lucknow is a famous tourist place. Which one? Ranchi is the another capital city of Jharkhand. It is not the correct answer. It is the wrong answer. Imambara. Exactly, Devanshu. It is the Imambara. So Imambara is a place in Lucknow. Imambara in Lucknow is a famous tourist place. Okay. So I am not giving any option today, but in your examination 4 options will be given, so you have to choose the correct option from that question paper. So next question is dash is a house with steepy slanting roof. We have already attended that one in exercise, so I think next one, which one is the tributary of river Ganga? Which one is the tributary of river Ganga? So I am giving 4 options. Option number A, that is Bhagirathi. Option number B, Padma. Option number C, Son. And option number D, that is Vipasha. So which is the correct answer? So most of the students said it is the Son, and it is correct answer. So rest of the rivers are not the tributary of Ganga, because Bhagirathi and Padma are the distributary of Ganga. It is not the tributary, and Vipasa is the tributary of river Indus. Okay, Vipasa is the tributary of river Indus, and Padma and Bhagirathi are the 2 distributaries, not tributary. So remember that things. Okay, Onik, I am waiting. So write this in your copy. I am waiting for you. Okay, I see Onik. Okay. So next question I am asking, that if you know the answer, you can tell me that which reptile is very common in Amazon rainforest? Which reptile among these are very common in Amazon rainforests? Option number A, cobra. Option number B, reticulated python. Option number C, boa constrictor. And option number D, rattlesnake. I have given 4 options. Option number A, reticulated python. Option number B, that is option number A, that is the cobra. Option number B, reticulated python. Option number C, boa constrictor. And option number D, rattlesnake. A, cobra. B, reticulated python. C, boa constrictor. And D, rattlesnake. The correct answer? which is the correct answer? Cobra is not the correct answer. Sunny, cobra is not the correct answer. Cobra is very common in India, in South India mainly, in Southeast Asian forest also. And the correct answer, boa constrictor. Okay, boa constrictor is a common reptile found in the forests of Amazon, and along with another reptile, that is the anaconda. It is very common in the Amazon rainforest. Yes, Akash, I can see your messages. Yes, Sharona, absolutely correct. Boa constrictor. Okay, so now tell me that from where did the name Amazon came from? From where did the name Amazon came from? From where did the name Amazon came from? From where did the name Amazon come from? Tell me. Okay, previous question. Previous question means which is the common reptile in the Amazon rainforest? Which among these are a common reptile in Amazon rainforest? I have given 4 options: cobra, reticulated python, boa constrictor, and D, rattlesnake. And the correct answer is boa constrictor. Next question, from where did the name Amazon come from? So the Amazon is the name came from the Roman female warriors. The female warriors of Roman Empire known as Amazon. Okay, so those have seen some movies, these are Wonder Woman, they are also mentioned the same thing. These are Amazon, so they were called Amazon also. So the name was mentioned by the Spanish explorers who first time discovered Amazon, and they have found that the local tribes wearing headgears and grass skirts looks very similar to the women warriors of ancient Roman Empire, so that's why they named this land Amazon. Okay, fierce tribes of women warriors known as ancient Roman Empire as Amazon. Yes. Okay, so that's all from our today's class. I am finishing here, students. Read entire chapter, don't leave anything. Read all the important things such as let's do portion, glossary portion, do you know portion in your geography, each and every chapter. Read each and every line of these chapters, including the glossary, the let's do and do you know portion. Okay, so everything is included in your syllabus. Yes, Sarona, very good. So hence the name came from name Amazon. Okay. So all the students mentioned their name in the chat box. I'll take attendance. 13 students present with me: Akash, Astha, Deep, Devangshu, Ishita, Pritam, Sanchari, Shobhik, Sunny, Tirthankar, Sharona, Yatharth and Onik. Okay. Bye everyone. See you in the next class.